how to turn on or turn off text call play other person's voice on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, click, you will see first option is text call, so click on text call. Now here scroll down to end, you will see text call play other person voices here. So if you want to turn on text call play other person's voice, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see text call play other person voices enable and turn on. So if you want to turn off text call play other person voice, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see text call play other person voices turn off. So you will turn on or turn off play other person's voice from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off text calls play other person's voice on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.